I did with lunch today. Make you know that. Jerk and bait. So me do it. Real talk. Over and out. Over and out.
It's amazing to see them come start out there. So current so quick. Yeah man. Give thanks, yeah. What man? Morning. Morning. Yes man, big up yourself. Hey, don't bite me now. Yeah man, it's a blessing for their country man. Neighbor goat, you know. You know it go. Love attention, yeah? Alright, pretty girl. Big up yourself. Nothing like country life, huh? Now left out the general, you know. You want to see you around a corner there. Youngster. Fresh from the block, you know. Yeah man. I work off and shine it. Know this something go. Proper. I can see if we can give a close up of the general out faithful exercise too. From a different angle. Yeah man, so come take a walk with me. Tell me if you like it, yeah? Like, share and subscribe. Jamaica Yard Life 101. No one me rise up in the morning. Always have to get something. Now the events, you know. Take a walk this morning and go up a hills there. Yeah man. Real backyard style, you know. Yeah. Whew. Still on the go, you know. Yeah man. Now reach it. I'm way up the lago. Yes, I one dangerous spot in it. If you don't know where I walk, gonna la. Take time go up the hill same way. Distance we are going now. Way up at the top of the hill there. Yeah man, take a walk with me. Oh. Yeah. Anybody in the comment here or anyone in the comment here who know exactly where I'm at? Yeah. Just type blessings in the comment, yeah. Yeah man, then I'm my backyard. My playground, you know. Yeah. And the hills have a fit, you know. Yeah man. You know there's something go. You have to just attack it. Just like that. Reach this far. You know, so yeah, the walking start getting intense, but come take a walk with me. Let me show you how I go on. Yeah, love the countryside, you know. As I say, every morning routine. So if you want to come take a walk with me, just come visit Somerset. Yo, look at that. Magnificent, man. So magnificent. Yeah. Nice and easy, you know. So if you feel you can take on the walk, just come on Somerset. And we'll take it on a morning. Show the world, say yo, full backyard. Just as sweet as anywhere else on the island, you know. If you calculate it, this is just a tip of the iceberg. But come walk with me, see me. Jaja blessings. Yard life. Jamaica, still stepping, you know. Yeah, man. Know there's something go. More saying a special shout out, yeah, to Alex. Yeah, man. Real friend, you know. Real general. Yeah, man. Stay strong, bro. Yeah, man. Remember Jaja blessings every time, you know. Yeah. And to one of my #1 subscriber, Russian. Yeah, man. And him baby mother said speed is it. Little Jamaica. Out here, bro. Yeah, man. Whole heap of big ups, you know. But me have to give thanks to them 2 persons. Them few persons. Them keep me going, you know. And I realize a Russian. No, he's a man of the. Are you growing already, there, brother? Yeah, man, but stay strong, bro, and go and put in the work. Yeah, man, Jamaica, love you, bro. Proper. Yeah, man, but still on the go. This morning, step it up a notch, you know. Little bit more hectic, but woo! So we walk yard, yeah. Nice. So pumping this morning, and we take it to the hills. Yeah. Right through my backyard. So as I say, you want to take a walk, you feel you can take on the walk, trust me, link up. Yeah, man. And you know where something go. I'll take you here. Like blessings every time. Look at that. Oh, what I would do if I had a drone now. Trust me, it would be magnificent with a drone, but you know, we have to make do with what we have. Come walk with me, man. Show me, I show you yard, my backyard. You want to show me? Yeah. Trust me, nothing shorter than marvelous. Beautiful Jamaica. Yeah, we have a good distance to go. Show you the top, you know. Show you my regular morning routine. Yeah, man. Look down back on the block, you know. Nice and pretty. See all different type of bird that fly around, but can't see them so good, you know. But you know, they are doing it, you know. So just walk with me, yeah. Jaja blessings. Whoa. Step up, you know. Step up. Alright. Look at this view. Trust me. Love this. The breeze we are blowing right now. Magnificent. Why am I blow like 51 storm? Yeah, man. Why general that butchered up on the work, you know? Blessings every time, general. journey. Yeah, this is my backyard, man. Love it, you know. Always take a walk. Yeah, man. Come look on the place, you know. Yeah. Nothing like. They say there's no place like home, is it? Yes, man. Better take it for serious matters. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, originally when I come, I do some sitting and reasoning with myself, because you know me already like being to myself. Yeah, man. But oh man, we can't get enough of this. If you ever feel the breeze, it's amazing. Yeah, can't done so easy still, you know. Yeah, man. Still on the go. Yeah, still I go up the hill. As me have that something there for show now. That's something there. Yeah, man. Yeah. Showing us that there is no dead end to my backyard. So you know that's something there. Can explore. Can't stop explore. If you want to camp, you can go and camp. Anything in regards to happiness. Yeah, man. So I said the rain passed through last night and it do some damage, you know. Chop out a slot in the road. We still have go up the hill. Come with me. This is it, you know. Yeah, man. Now I want to get away from all of the animosity. But up on the flat, all of the disruptants. Come this side. Yeah, man. Let's take a walk. Come through the mine, you know. Yeah, this is my side of the world. This is my type of energy, you know. It's a blessing. Feel like we're up on top of the world. Butcher tie out in beast. Yeah, man. Whoa! Bless up, bless up. General Debout, you know. Yeah, man. Country life. Jamaica yard life 101. Tell me something. See, I have to cut this short, but tell me something. All of them wrongs we are going right now. All of them bad things will take place. All of the people who do the bad things, them will not take a look on things like this. And say, yo, Jaggy with something great, man. So all we need for that is take care right and take care of each other. And let go the negative. Please. Yeah, man. Wow. My chill spot, you know. Yeah, man. They call this a left hand river, you know. So bless it. All of those who know left hand river, yeah, man, just type blessings in the comment here, you know. Just let me know many blessings. That's all it takes. One misstep, and you see where you are, you know. Oh my real. It's a heck of a fall, man. You hear the breeze? Boy, the breeze is impressive. The breeze is normal this morning. Yeah, man. But I love me hard, you see it? And I have something come. Easy back. Please, let's speak, you know. This morning, I don't have smoke. Surprisingly, my body dog already. Yeah, man. Woo! Yeah! Up of the world, you know. Yo! We still have move forward, you know, because say me a walker as far as to the pine tree, the first pine tree, yeah. Trust me. When me carrying over a pine and I'm not now, all of that. Yeah, man. So you know this up, bro. Just stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe, you know. Yard life 101. Skill is drumming, skill is a share. You want to ride the current of the breeze. Amazing, man. And you've been coming close to me now. Full rain. as far as to Marant Bay. I believe Port Marant or somewhere around on that side, but yeah, Marant Bay is somewhere off here, so yeah man. So you can see as far back as to sea, Whitehall, Surge Island. You can see everywhere man, Funtil. Trust me, everywhere. Up and about another day, giving thanks to life, you know. Yeah man, that's a me that here. Just be this. Always giving thanks to life. But you have some things that bother the mind from time to time, yeah. Because being by myself and sitting here, I think about basically some everything's are going, things are happening in my surroundings and things are happening in the world, you know. Yeah man. And it bother the mind, but you know, you still have to free your mind because you can't make another man's trouble your own, but at the end of the day, we all are one. You see it? And I feel to my heart that most of the wrongdoings and the selfish wants and needs of man, it can't stop, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, we all can live as one, yeah? In a Jalan. Real way. So just take a time out. Take the time out to love and appreciate what the most I give. Yeah man. All of this. And so much more. Forward back, yeah? From up our hills. Get clean. You know this something go.